everybody. I hope everyone is doing well today. My name is Tasha, and this is my daughter,
Kirsten.
And welcome to my channel. So today we will be doing a mukbang. This is our first mukbang. And let me just give you a little tour of our, we have corn, we have fries, teriyaki wings, because Kirsten, obviously, she does not like seafood. We have celery, we have edamame, we have boiled eggs, potatoes, and shrimp. So Kirsten, she, like I said, she doesn't like seafood. So hopefully I can get her to try some shrimp today. Why not? Okay, well, Kirsten, introduce yourself. I've already said your name. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Kirsten.
So, thank you so much for tuning in. And like I said, today is more of an introductory video. We won't be doing we're not trying to hold you for too long. We just kind of want to introduce ourselves and just kind of give you a little insight of what we'll be doing on this, on my video, on my channel. The content I'll be doing mostly will be mukbangs, but we may incorporate a little, maybe some skits. And what else, Kirsten? What else? Okay, so she's camera shy. And then we probably do maybe some reactions to some videos. So right now, what we're going to do, we're going to start eating because we are hungry and we want to go ahead and eat before our food gets cold. So let's say the grace. Say the grace.
God our Father, once again, they bless me, amen.
She act like she is scared to say the grace. So let's dig in. Like I said, I kind of turned into a pescatarian for a little while, but I'm kind of getting tired of just eating fish and seafood. I don't know, it gets kind of boring. But anyway, so we have, like I said, the shrimp that I have is, I don't have that many because I'm not really, really hungry. But like I said, I just want to eat a little something just to show you all, just to share with you all what we're going to be eating today. Okay, so let's dig in. I made some butter sauce and I put what did I put in here? I put butter, I put a little olive oil, I sauteed some onions. What else I put in here? I put in some garlic powder. I put in a little teriyaki sauce just to give it a little kick. Not bad. How are your wings? I don't know why she's trying to act like she cannot talk. And she talks all the time.
C-A-P. Cap.
Okay, so I had my little packs from Chick-fil-A. You know, we always keep our little condiments and put them in our refrigerator. I got plenty of these. So Kirsten, she never likes to talk about school. So what did you do in school today?
Bruh.
What? I can't get this thing open. Here you go. So we have edamame, and for you, the ones who never taste edamame or had edamame before, they're just like a little, I almost kind of remind you of a snap bean or snap pea, but you just kind of snap the little beans out of there like this. And sometimes when I'm just like eating maybe something quick, I would just get some of these and maybe, probably eat maybe some salad or something. Because some days I do vegetarian, but I try to do it maybe about 3 days a week. I try to do like more of a vegetarian type meal. And then maybe 2 days a week I do salmon or something like that. Because I don't want to consume too much fish because of the mercury. Pretty good. You want to try the eggs? What you want to try next?
The corn?
Corn, you want to dip it in here? It's butter.
No.
Why not? Okay. Well, I'm going to try the eggs. Got some ketchup on it. And I'm going to dip it in my butter sauce. And I got some onions in there. See that onion? It's good. How do you like it? Is it good? I'm surprised she likes it. And don't pay any attention to my hands, they're a little ashy. Why are you laughing? This is good. I never thought too much about getting eggs and dipping them in the sauce, but I normally just put maybe salt and pepper on them. But it's pretty good. It's something different. May I have some of your fries?
Yes.
And does my hair look okay, everyone? I just threw something together real quick. And at nighttime, what I normally do, I would put rods in it, but I put rods in it last night, or the night before last, but when I got up in the morning and took the rods out, they were kind of tight, the curls. So the next day, I just decided to just put a scarf on and just let the curls just kind of fall. Why are you trying that camera shy?
I just don't like cameras.
Did you say you don't like cameras?
Yup.
Why not? She used to love cameras when she was little, when she was younger. But for some reason, it's like pulling teeth trying to get her to take a picture. I'm trying to decide if I want to taste one of her chicken wings, one of your chicken wings. You think I should?
I thought you were vegan.
I'm not vegan.
I'm a pescatarian.
Pescatarian. Guess I'll try the corn. Do you like the butter sauce? Kirsten like the butter sauce? I can't believe it. And it has some onions in there too.
Is it good? You took a big one.
It's good and tender. I almost forgot to put butter on it. I normally like, after I cook my corn, boil my corn, I like to put, of course, a little butter and salt on them. But it really didn't need it because because I'm dipping it in the butter sauce that I made. So I don't want to double dip. I almost double dip. I forgot you didn't have your own bowl. Mmm. Mmm. Earlier we had sub sandwich from Publix. They have the best sub sandwich. I actually had a veggie sub, and what I put on it, I had the multi-grain bun. The multi-grain bun. We had tomatoes. We had lettuce, spinach, cucumbers, black olives, and Publix have this sauce. If you all have ever heard of it, it's called the deli dressing. Publix deli dressing. It is so good on the sandwich. But normally I like to get mine on the side because, of course, if I don't get a chance to eat the sandwich right away, of course, it makes it soggy. So normally I try to get it on the side, but this time they just went on and put it on there. So it was still good. I mean, luckily they get too soggy. Okay, so now I'm dipping in some potatoes. You like the potatoes?
Hmm?
Did you try the potatoes?
No.
They are good. You gonna dip it in the sauce?
No, I'm good.
Let me pull this up a little bit.
Mom, did you hear that?
What? What? What happened? I didn't hear it.
I said that on camera, too.
My mom's in back there doing something. I don't know. So, no. The little shrimp that I have, they're not too big. They started out larger than this, but somehow they shrunk after I sauteed them in the skillet. I'm wasting stuff.
And just to make sure that y'all don't get it twisted, this is not wine.
You sure? No. Period. You gotta get them. Getting full. I'm getting full too.
I should never ate that sandwich earlier.
Was it good? Did you eat all of it?
Mm-hmm.
You ate the whole sandwich?
No, I had half of it.
Okay, because what happened, my mother and I, we shared a whole sandwich from Publix, and Kirsten, I know she normally like to take sometimes she would like to take the other half of the sandwich to school with her. So that's what you'll probably be doing tomorrow, right? You're going to take the sub to school, the other part? Mm. Well, her wings, we bought them from this place called, I can't even remember the name of the place, but whatever it is, they sell like a lot of different foods. They have like wings. They have
next to Publix.
Right, it's somewhere. It's this wing shop next to Publix.
Next to our Publix or the other Publix?
Our Publix.
Oh.
You can tell when somebody eating something. When they like it, they start dancing.
Mr. Lover. I'm Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic.
I can't do a lot of things because you're gonna make me fat.
No, that's not gonna happen. That's why you have to work out. And the thing about it, when you eating, you're supposed to work out anyway, right? Right? Don't you supposed to work out? You can't be working out lately, Kirsten.
Food making me tired.
Food making you tired. Well, we're just hoping that you all will be along with us for this ride on our channel. We asking that you please share, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell for the next time. You'll be able to see the next video that we upload. Whenever we upload a video, you will be notified. Whoa! This thing is strong. But anyway, you put a little salt and pepper on the eggs. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat too much more because I had already eaten that sub sandwich. And I tried to wait until I did this video to eat, but I hadn't really had nothing to eat all day. And then by the time I decided to do the video and cook, it was pretty late. What are you doing?
I'm trying to stretch.
Oh my goodness, girl.
I feel like my back hurt.
I am getting so full.
I'm getting tired of eating. Because you know that when you eat so much food, you get tired.
Yeah, and it's kind of late. We started out late.
It was only 9.
Yeah, we started out kind of late. Get up, Kirsten.
Help.
Yeah, I can't pick you up, girl.
Ow! She's hurting me. A full lot of 1 chicken wing, 3 fries, 2 pieces of celery, 1 egg, a potato,
I'm full of myself,
and
but
some corn.
I'm going to eat a couple of more of these shrimp, and I'm just going to call it quits. But like I said, we're not going to hold you too long. I think it's been what? How long is that time?
22 minutes.
It's been 22 minutes, so I'm about to get out of here. But
Bye.
like I said, I just wanted to introduce myself Again, my name is Tasha. This is my daughter, Kirsten. And like I said, we hope that you will enjoy the content that we will be bringing before you. And just make sure to subscribe and whatever, comment, share, like, and hit that notification bell. So, with that being said, we will end this video because we are tired and it's time to go to sleep. Okay? All right, we'll talk to you later, guys, and be safe.